how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you my Christmas celebration in London. Now I came back to Delhi a few days ago, but I really wanted to film how Christmas is like in London. So I filmed a day in my life, but during Christmas week, and I thought why not show it to you guys. Before we get started with the video, I wanted to thank Navi app for coming to the rescue every time I've needed funds for a vacation, and today's video is in collaboration with them. So if you're starting a small business or if you want funds for say renovating your house or your wedding or for whatever reason, Navi offers loans through a completely digital process. It's easy, it's hassle-free, and it has no hidden charges as well. All you have to do is download the app from the description box, fill in your personal details, your work details, and your PAN number and check your offer. Once you complete the KYC, which by the way took me less than a minute, all you want to do is put in your bank details. The money then is transferred straight to your bank account. Now I'm somebody who travels very often, so this is very handy. Navi has over 10 years of experience, 8 lakh customers, and they're registered with the RBI as well. So it's pretty safe to use. The link to download is right down in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Now let's get started with the video. Alright, I'm ready for college. This is my outfit, and I'm wearing this because it's cold, and I've put this ribbon on my hair. Just thought of doing something fun. I also wanted to show you my lilies and roses. They're nicely blooming and I love it. The pollen's coming out. I need to clean it from there, but I love how it's looking. It's just so beautiful. Some of these are not in the best shape and I am going to sprinkle some water on it. So I'm leaving in a while. It is 3:20 and I have to be in college by 4, so I guess I'll leave in like another 5 minutes and I'll take the bus to college. So I have a class, and this is our last class for the semester, and then we're done. And after that I have to go with my friends. We're going to the other campus of King's, so I study in Strand, and then we're going to go to Guy's campus. They have their Christmas carols today, and then after that I'm going to go to Trafalgar Square Christmas market with Muskan. I haven't been there. It's one of like the best and the biggest Christmas markets, and I haven't been there yet, so I'm very excited to see what's going to happen there and what all is there, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. So for now, before we get late, let's go to the bus stop. So this is my view every day when I go to college. It is the most beautiful view, the most stunning view. And then this is my class. This was the last class of the semester. And then this is Somerset House. So I usually go and sit here for some time after classes are done. And then this is all around college. Then I took the tube and I went straight to Guy's campus for the Christmas carols. But unfortunately, because of the COVID situation, they weren't having the carols. But this is how the church looked inside. I took the tube back again and I went all the way to Trafalgar Square, and we had the Christmas market going on over there. It was the most beautiful Christmas market ever. This Christmas tree is an annual gift from the people of Norway to thank Britain for their support in World War II, so it's very special. Hi! Hello! It's cold. It's freezing. Are you having fun?
I am, but this is not very big though.
It's a small, tiny market, but it's very
pretty, very cute.
Very cute market.
I'm okay. I'm not that cold, but I'm still cold.
It is cold.
It is very cold.
My hands are gone.
Let's run on somewhere else.
Where?
Do you want to
Change of plans. To?
There's Covent Gardens.
Yeah, will it be snowing?
What time?
7:30.
So it would start.
Christmas market was fun. Hey, did you notice all Christmas markets are very tiny?
Few are big though.
Which one? Which one was big?
I don't know.
We कैश निकलेगा अभी अंदर से. मुस्कान कैश निकलेगा. बोल बोल.
So what we get done.
I was expecting a station में ज़्यादा लोग होंगे.
इस वाले में
हाँ.
I think
थोड़ा सेंट्रल नहीं है. हाँ. I then took the tube back home. This is how the area looks. This is my room. Hi guys, I am back home. My room is really warm because I usually keep the temperature to 27, 28 when I leave the room, so when I'm back it's nice and toasty. So that was it. I'm going to now just keep my bag on the side, change my clothes, edit my videos. I have to edit like a bunch of videos tonight, so I'm gonna do that. There are trains going by. You guys know the view at this point. I don't even need to tell you about the view because you know how beautiful it is. This building right over here is the Shard. This one is a really famous building. Sometimes I feel so blessed that I'm living here, obviously in this room specifically, but just in London in general. You know, just the best view. I'm not really hungry because I had fries, so I don't think I'm going to eat dinner. I might have like a muffin and green tea or something. One thing I was a little bummed about was the fact that they didn't have carols today at the church. So I had to go from Strand to Guy's, which wasn't like a very tiring journey, but because it was cold, it was sort of drizzling. All that effort for nothing. And you know, there was no mail, there was no post about there not being like carols, so that was kind of like a bummer. But there was a choir that was doing carols in Trafalgar Square, so I guess that kind of compensated, and I had really good fun in Trafalgar. The market was nice. And it's the thing is, I feel like these are tiny markets, but they're so well done and they're so nice and unique, and just the way they do the entire place up is so interesting to watch. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comment down below letting me know what other videos do you want to watch. And if you like this video, what parts of it did you like? Do you think I can do something more in these? I would love your feedback. And if you're new over here, make sure you subscribe to the channel because that always helps. I do post a lot of vlog videos, a lot of haul videos, a lot of just fun fashion videos, so make sure you subscribe and be a part of the family. And one last thing before I leave, I do go live on Instagram very often. My profile is right here on the screen, and I would love for you to be a part of our family over there. I have a lot of chit chat, I post a lot of OOTDs. The link to download Navi app is down below in the description box as well, so make sure you do that. And I'm going to see you next time. Till then, bye bye.